So good day, boys and girls of the hunting community. Now I'm in my official uniform, Wild Wildebeest Safaris. So you bought the donation and now you want to book your hunt. So how do you go about? On my website, Wild Wildebeest Safaris, there's a lot of agents, booking agents, people that is part of Wild Wildebeest Safaris that's been hunting with us for many, many years. Their names are there: Frank Schneider, Rowdy Woodson, Andrew, Phil Kluppenberg, Leonard Lombardi, to name but a few. There's many, many names. Anthony Ethan, I can't name everybody, but they are there. You can communicate with them. If you're from South Carolina, talk to Anthony. If you're from Nevada, then you talk to Leonard, or whoever you want to talk to. You can phone them. But Rowdy and Frank has been the longest with Wild Wildebeest Safaris, including Anthony Ethan. So what you then do is you start communicating. The easiest way to get the show started is go and download the app WhatsApp. WhatsApp is an app that we use in Africa. Then go find my number. It's +27 082 717 4351. +27 082 717 4351. Then you can WhatsApp me and we can get the thing started. The easiest is to WhatsApp. I'm always hunting. I'm always in the woods. And if I'm not in the woods, I'm farming and I'm ranching. So that's what I do. So start the communication with me or with one of the representatives. Start asking questions. Let's get the whole thing sorted. You will have a lot of questions because 90% of you guys bought the hunt at a fundraiser, intoxicated or semi-intoxicated. And that's not a bad thing, but that's how it works. And so you are at the CCA Corpus Christi, there's 2,000 people, and your friend sits next to you and he says, well, let's go to Africa. And you put up your hand and lo and behold, you bought the hunt. Or you're at Whitetails Unlimited somewhere in America and you decide Africa is what you want to do and you put up your hand and you bought it. So now we start. Communicate with us. If you want to do a date confirmation or booking of a date, you have to formally email Eureka. Go visit our website. Go check on your donation document. It will state what and how to communicate with her. If you don't get communication from her, then it means somewhere something went into a spam folder. So then you send a WhatsApp to Tony, to me, or to any of my guys and say, listen, I struggle to communicate with Eureka. Please communicate with me, and then we get it sorted. I tell you now, 99.9% of people struggle communication has got to do with spam folders and the way the whole system is set up. So communicate with me via WhatsApp and communicate with Eureka by booking your hunt. Then there's a lot of questions that will come up. One would be, a lot of clients ask me, why do I have to pay a deposit? A booking deposit of $1,000 per hunter. By you paying $1,000, that money locks you into a date, and so that we can confirm those dates. We already start in America in January and February with marketing, informing PHs and giving them dates so that they can confirm their dates, so that they don't book those dates at other hunting outfitters, because a good professional hunter is not something you kick under a tree. It is something you have to work for. So we at Wild Wildebeest Safaris pride ourselves on having professional hunters that is qualified, that knows the province and knows all the provinces we donate and hunt at, and that they have legal paperwork to do what they do in every state. We have provinces and every state has a legal license. So that confirms your date, your accommodation and everything. And now the wheel starts rolling. Your date is confirmed, you paid $1,000 deposit, your hunt is ready to go, and now the next question would be, how do I get here? How do I travel? What do I do? Now that is an easy answer. Wild Wildebeest Safaris, in partnership with Go To Safari Concierge, has the ultimate. We can book you from America to South Africa, transfer you, have a VIP meet and greet, have a rifle permit, somebody to reach at the plane, to meet you there at the door of the plane, straight to customs and immigration, straight through the doors, straight to a handler that will pick you up, take you to the rifle place, get your rifle sorted out, put you into a transfer vehicle, transfer you to a guest house where we control the guest house and where we know you will be safe. South Africa is not a dangerous place, but we need to medicate everything so that we confirm and make sure that you are well looked after in your stay in South Africa. The Wild Willoughby Safaris way is, of course, my way. And that way is the safest way. So then we pick you up at the airport here in Sishen or in Uppington, depending on if you travel during weekdays, within 30 to 40 minutes. You're on the ranch, and we are here to meet and greet you, and we look after you. We feed you, we house you. Alcohol is included if it's beer and wine. If you drink anything hard liquor, go and buy duty-free or tell your PH to go and buy alcohol for you at the liquor store here in South Africa. And then hunting takes place depending on the days you spend here. And that will then give you the whole experience up until the day you leave, where we drop you off back at the airport, and then the process repeats itself back to flying to America. Your first point of entrance into South Africa is at the OR Tambo International Airport. And so then from the guest house the next morning, they take you back to the airport and they check you through to the glass doors. So you go through TSA and we know you're in a safe environment where nobody will mess with you. Not that people will mess with you at the airport, but it gives us peace of mind. It gives my company peace of mind. I was in the military for more than 10 years and I am a little bit of a control freak when it comes to my clients and my client safety. So that is part of the deal that we 100% confirm we will look after you. And if you do it otherwise, you're on your own. If you use our system, then you know you will be looked after. There is no easier or difficult way. It is just the Tony way or your way.